Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Toyota Highlander 2020. The rear tail light that's on the trunk, I believe. You see the technology is all over. I'm gonna open this one here. Here is the wire have 3 connector. So let me just open this. See here. I break this one out. It was an accident, so it's broke. I just wanna show you how the technology is working on those cars. In this piece here, in this place here, those are LED lights, maybe for the signal, for the parking light. 3 wires that's connected from here. See, maybe this one LED light for the brake or anything. Is there any LED light here? I'm not sure what is there. Maybe this is also something there, but this is how they made the new car technology. You see here, if you give power somewhere, this is how it is. I just give you an idea how the technology go and how it's working. You see here, it's stop light here. This is ground, this is tail light. That means if I put power here, ground, I keep ground here, and I put power, something gonna happen here if everything is good. You see here, circuit board. Technology is changing, and the reflection of the lights. Maybe there is something here too. I'm not sure if there is anything here. I'm not sure, but look, no light bulbs. See, here is the lights that blink, flashing here when you put power. You know what? I'm gonna put some power and see how it's working. Stay with us. Also, it's kind of reflector, you know, like magnifying the light when you put it in. This is not a broken piece. This is maybe it's a good one. Okay, this is the housing. Maybe reinforcement. Good. You have some power there. I just need some power. Give me power and ground, just if you have it alone. Okay.
One hand. One hand.
Okay, so this is the power, right?
Yeah.
So power, I'm gonna put it here, and the ground could be anyone here. Let me see now. If it's gonna work, they're gonna light there. So let's see. Okay. Oh, you know why it doesn't work? Because I need to have a ground here. There's a ground. Nothing is work. Nothing. This is ground, right?
No, this here is power, you know.
That's the power? Yeah. So,
here.
okay. So that's the power. So I'm gonna put this one here, ground. And then this is my power. Yeah. You see there? Hold like this for me. Okay, you are doing something. Okay. I'm gonna put something here. See? Wow. Okay, what about the other one? Oh, that's the ground. See, this is one. Maybe this is a parking. What is here? This is a stop light. This is lower. Maybe this is a signal light or a stop light, but it's working. See how strong it is, and it's with a little bit of This is a computer, circuit board, LED light, reflecting stronger without consuming a lot of power. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I will keep this one in the future.